This is a quick video about installing a Serpentine built for a 2015 Honda Civic 1.8 liter. I already installed the belt, but I'm gonna show you the diagram in case you missed it or lost it or you forgot how to put it back on. Okay, so this is 2015 Honda Civic EXL. I'm sure applies for many, probably a few years before or after, and EXL 4-door or 2-door, but this is for EXL 2-door. Okay, so this is the diagram. Okay, so this is the crankshaft pulley, this is the water pump, this is the air condition compressor, this is the alternator, the tensioner is here. Okay, so when you release it, you tension it this way. You go this way to release the tension. And this is if it's equipped with power steering pump, so this will be the power steering pump. If it's no power steering pump, electronic steering, this is the use the idler here instead. So it says power steering or idler. I wrote it down here. So this is very much the diagram for the Serpentine belt. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.